Let me guess. You know your company needs a better way to manage maintenance, but getting management on board with a CMMS feels like trying to sell ice to a snowman. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many maintenance professionals see the need for change every day. Equipment failures, missed inspections, stacks of paperwork, and more emergency repairs than planned ones. But convincing upper management to invest in a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, isn't always easy, especially when leadership is laser-focused on the upfront cost without fully understanding the long-term value. But here's the good news. There's a smarter way to make your case, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step approach that turns your maintenance struggles into a strategic win that management can't ignore. First things first, don't start by raving about how awesome CMMS software is. That's like walking into a boardroom and pitching a spaceship when all they asked for was a faster car. What you need to do is lead with problems, the ones your leadership already knows exist, even if they haven't put a name to them yet. Is your team spending more time filling out paperwork than actually maintaining equipment? Are you constantly reacting to breakdowns instead of preventing them? Are audits becoming a nightmare because maintenance logs are scattered, or worse, missing? These aren't just maintenance issues, they're business problems. And that's exactly where your case for a CMMS begins. Now this is key. Translate those problems into numbers. Data is your best friend here. Show how many hours are being lost every month on manual data entry or chasing down missing reports. Estimate how much production time is being lost every time a critical piece of equipment fails unexpectedly. Break down the overtime costs, the replacement parts, the delays. When you present management with cold, hard numbers, you're no longer just asking for software. You're showing them a leak in the boat and offering a way to patch it. But numbers alone won't get you across the finish line. You've got to take it a step further and connect everything back to their big picture goals. Management cares about productivity, profitability, compliance, and risk reduction. So show them how a CMMS fits into that story. Highlight how it can extend the life of high-value assets by enabling preventive maintenance. Explain how tracking work orders and equipment history leads to faster, smarter decision-making. And yes, point out how it can help reduce unplanned downtime, eliminate compliance headaches, and give managers visibility into the performance of their teams and equipment in real time. No more blind spots, no more guessing games. It also helps to bring in some social proof. Mention case studies or examples of similar businesses that saw measurable improvements after implementing a CMMS. Whether it's reduced downtime, lower maintenance costs, or better compliance scores, real-world success stories give your argument that extra credibility. Bonus points if you can find examples from within your industry. That always gets more attention. And here's a little pro tip: timing matters. Don't pitch your idea right after a budget cut or during peak operations when stress is already high. Wait for moments when leadership is actively looking to improve efficiency, reduce costs, or solve operational problems. And when you do bring it up, consider suggesting a pilot program. That way, they're not committing to a full rollout right away. It's a lower-risk way to test the waters and prove the value in real time. Once the results speak for themselves, it'll be a lot easier to justify a full-scale implementation. So, if you're serious about getting your maintenance operations under control and finally ditching the chaos for a system that actually works, this is your chance. Build your case around real pain points, support it with real numbers, and tie it to real business goals. You've got everything you need to lead the change. Now it's just about delivering the message in the right way. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on maintenance strategies, CMMS tools, and how to take your operations to the next level. Got questions? Or maybe a success story to share? We'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.